NBA.com is an example of one where there are a lot of violations. And let's just take a look at the timeline because that shows it more than anything else. Here's the reject, and you can see that a lot of things fired after reject. So the reject is not being honored in this example. And again, it just shows it so clearly visually that a lot of things are firing. Here's the reject. A lot of things are firing after that and after the new page. So I'm not going to dive deep into NBA, but I can tell right now that we are in violation. And of course, the report says right here, 13 vendors ignore the GPC. Only 14 of 34 tracking vendors respected consent. That's not a very great score, right? Yeah. And not to pick on them, but MLB is not any better. NFL is not any better. Yeah. PGA Tour is not any better. I'll tell you who is really good at this, who passes, is FIFA. And of course, they're a European institution, so privacy is a little bit more prevalent there. But boy, they pass really well. And let me show you another example of a major corporation, 3M, with their banner over here, and what they do. And the good news, thank you, 3M, they are 100% compliant. Let me just say, no violations found. We observed no tracking before consent or after opt-out. Now let's look at their timeline because that really shows it clearly, I think. So here's pre-consent. I come to the site. I haven't done anything. You can see that absolutely nothing fires. Now I come back to the site. I press accept, and you can see everything that fired at this point. And again, you can always open up all of the individual tags if you wanted to, all the individual requests.